During this video, your heart will beat 40 to 60 times. You don't have to think about it, it just beats. In the same way, your transformer quietly works behind the scenes, and you hardly ever have to think about it until it stops. You can't afford to have your heart stop. Right now, unavoidable and unseen oxidation is creating harmful acids that are weakening the paper insulation inside your transformer. But let's back up. There are certain things in your power to stabilize the heart of your system, and we can help. Our hot oil cleaning process will dramatically increase the reliability of your transformer by restoring the oil and cleaning the paper of harmful acids to give you the peace of mind to focus entirely on your business. It's just one of the things we do, and helping you do what you do best is what we do best. With SDMyers, you have the power to keep the power on.